Lesson 8 is all about pitching your plan. In this lesson, learners will have a chance to pitch their plan to others and to ask questions about others' apps. For this, you need the design thinking booklet and possibly some large sheets of paper. So, the focus of this one is about pitching your idea. And to start off, you're going to talk to the learners about what good speakers do. How do they keep eye contact? How do they vary their tone? How do they add in emotions to what they're saying? And then you can talk to them about what a pitch is. So a pitch is basically giving the lowdown on your product or your service that you want to offer, giving the people the highlights in order to motivate them to support your project. There are three main parts in the app pitch. That is, who is your app targeted towards? Who are you solving the problem for? Number 2 is, what is the problem that you're solving? And number 3 is the features that your app has that will solve this problem. So those are the three main parts to the pitch. You can also teach learners how to give constructive feedback. So as other groups pitch their ideas, you need to teach learners how to listen actively, how to make observations, and how to ask constructive questions that help the people refine their app instead of pointing out problems. One of the ways that I always suggest that they do the constructive feedback is they start with something positive, followed by something they can improve on. And I feel this sort of lessens the blow of criticizing this app that you've created. For example, I really like how your app shows a map where clean water is available, but I think you could also add tips on how to clean water yourself. Once you've discussed it with them, you're going to send the groups away to come up with their basic pitch. They must plan and practice their pitch and figure out who in their group is going to present it. When the groups are ready, then you can call them all together and get each group to pitch their idea one by one, after which you call for constructive feedback on each one. Maybe limited to, let's say, 3 questions or 3 opinions on their app, where other groups can ask questions for clarification or make suggestions. You can link this to real life by linking it to shows like Dragon's Den, where people have to come in and pitch their ideas for new products. Even better if you can watch a clip from Dragon's Den showing them how people pitch their ideas. Now it's your turn. You are going to fill in the pitch idea using the app idea that you came up with in your previous lessons. And you're going to fill in all the details over there for providing your pitch.